Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be trying out this deep conditioner for fast hair growth, so you stay tuned and watch till the end. Applying hair mask on my hair is what I plan doing twice or three times in a month. It penetrates your scalp and also help in hair growth. So today I will be trying out new stuff on my hair, which is almond powder, neem powder and aloe vera powder. I am so excited to do this. I have heard good things about this herbal conditioner, so I can't wait to see what it feels like on my hair. On each of the herbs, I will measure out 2 spoons, after which I will add some coconut milk and water and mix them together. The reason I add coconut milk to it is just that I want to be on a safe side. I don't know how it will react on my hair, on my 4C hair. I don't want anything that will dry out my hair. Naturally, 4C hair is always dry, so I must do whatever that is within my reach to keep it moisturized at all times.
Play it safe. I don't belong with your nobility. Who died and made you king of anything? You think that I'm insane? It's your mistake. Kingdoms rise and fall. I've come to take it.
So after mixing the ingredients, I will also add some olive oil to it and continue to stir till it all comes together. Be applying it on a freshly washed hair. I have already washed my hair in the bathroom, so after applying it I will let it sit on my hair for 30 minutes before rinsing it out, after which I will follow it up with my raised out conditioner.
I heard you question my stability. You think I'll fall just like a guillotine, but I am here to stay, won't look away. Storm is coming, so you better start running. No, you can't control, feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for the. Coming for the throne. Kiss the rain. Ice runs in my veins. Won't play it safe. I don't belong with your nobility. Who died and made you king of anything? You think that I'm insane? It's your mistake. Kingdoms rise and fall. I've come to take it all. I'll take it. I've come to take it. Kingdoms rise and fall. I've come to take it all. I'll take it. throne. Coming for the throne. Coming for the throne. So you wanna be my enemy? You should've known I'd never kiss the rain.
Oh my goodness, I love this hair mask so much. It leaves my hair smooth and soft. My hair feels so good and amazing at this point. I will definitely be trying this out again and again and again and again. So that is it. That will be all for this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing and join this family. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye bye.